Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger, pushing each other to the limits. We were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. Always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just always seemed to bore me, cause only those I really love will ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I...
Yung stock mong battery?
Oo, bilis maano.
Battery ng motor?
Baklit. Yung stock na.
Ng motor?
Oo.
Pabilis naman. Dapat abot ng ano yun eh, 4 years.
Hindi nga maabot eh.
Yung sa akin, umabot ng 4 years eh.
Hindi, ako kasi nag-MC taxi na kayo. Inaano ko yun ito, hindi mo yun. Lagi kong gamit eh. Hindi, may MC taxi ayun, hindi mo yung kaya. Lagi na ako ng bugay. Pero naka-charge na yung cellphone. Kaya maabot lang ng ano, sa kalahati. Pero yung ano talaga ng 2 taon lang. Limit na. Tsaka lumilitaw na yung battery niya eh. Nahirap na yun, di ba?
Ang sumabog yan.
Hindi, baka siyempre biglang ano no?
Magliyab.
Hindi. Biglang mga ano, di ba mamamatay?
Sir, check ito.
Ay ginawa ko, pinatang ko na kasi kada din mo.
Hindi kayo bibili ng pasalubong nyo?
Hindi, wala kang bili natin.
Hindi kasi ako papabili.
Parehas lang din naman yun.
Sama mo muna ako doon para ipasabay ko sa'yo.
Bibilya.